Let us look at some basic operations using the numbers. You can perform the operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division just like you do in your calculators. Simply use the operator symbols and you are good to go. Look at the examples we have taken here, where we can simply add any two numbers like 2 plus 2, subtract any two numbers like 2 from 5, or multiply and divide any numbers. We can very easily perform these tasks in Python also. To keep it short and simple, we have shown various operations together. Recall the \n escape sequence, which we have used for shifting the output results to next line. After division, we are calculating the value of 3 to power of 4, which we can do in two ways, either using multiplication operator twice like this, or using the power function. We can perform floor division by using the division operator twice to get only the quotient of division, like here, we are getting only the integer value of division, that is 10, instead of 10.5. Further, to get the remainder of division, we can use this modulus operator. Recall from our earlier discussion that we can convert any real number value into integer using the int function, or into floating number using the float function. Also, if we use the addition or subtraction operators twice, it will perform summation only. Next, we learn about using the format function. It produces a numeric string of a floating point value rounded to a specific number of decimal places. What does that mean? For example, when we divide 20 by 7, we get this long sequence of decimal points. What if we want to round it off? Then, we can use the format function and define that to how many decimal points we want to round off. Here, we rounded off the value to 4 decimal points. We can also use it to format floating numbers in scientific notations, for example. Or to insert commas in the number. That's all for now. Do consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video if not done yet. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.